Winter storm Fern threatens Indiana with heavy snow, ice, and travel disruptions. Indiana officials have issued winter weather warnings and advisories for large parts of the state as Winter storm Fern approaches, expected to bring a mix of snow, sleet, freezing rain, ice accumulations, and hazardous travel conditions later this week. The storm system is forecast to impact communities across central and northern Indiana, prompting preparation and caution from residents and authorities alike. The National Weather Service, NWS, has issued winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories covering numerous counties, with warnings indicating the potential for significant snow and ice accumulations that could make travel dangerous, especially on untreated roads and bridges. Additional advisories for snow, sleet, and blowing snow are expected to expand as the storm moves through the region. Timing and expected conditions. Winter storm Fern is forecast to begin affecting Indiana late Friday through Saturday, with the most intense conditions arriving during the overnight hours into Saturday morning. A mix of precipitation types, including snow, sleet, and freezing rain, is expected as temperatures hover around and below freezing. In areas under winter storm warnings, residents could see several inches of snow, ice accumulations on roads, power lines, and trees, blizzard-like conditions in some stronger winds. Northern counties and higher elevations are likely to experience the greatest snow totals, while central and southern portions of the warning area could see heavier freezing rain and sleet that create slick surfaces and travel hazards. Travel and safety precautions. Officials are urging motorists to avoid unnecessary travel once the storm arrives, as untreated roads may quickly become treacherous. Even well-traveled highways can become slick and dangerous during significant winter weather events, especially when ice and sleet create a glaze on pavement. The combination of snow, ice, and wind can also lead to reduced visibility and slow emergency response times. Local authorities recommend drivers check road conditions before departing, slow down, and increase following distance. Carry emergency supplies such as blankets, food, and water. School closures and event cancellations may be announced as conditions deteriorate, and families are advised to plan ahead and make preparations for possible disruptions. Community impact and preparation. Indiana residents are already stocking up on essentials and checking weather forecasts as the storm approaches. With the potential for ice accumulation, there is also concern about possible power outages due to downed lines or tree limbs. Utility companies often position crews ahead of major winter storms to respond quickly if outages occur, but residents should be prepared for possible service interruptions, especially in rural areas. Local emergency management offices are coordinating with meteorologists and transportation departments to monitor the storm's progress and provide timely updates to the public. Officials stress the importance of staying informed through official channels and weather alerts as conditions evolve. Looking ahead. Winter storm Fern arrives at a time when Indiana is already coping with cold temperatures and earlier winter weather, and the added mix of snow and ice could exacerbate ongoing seasonal challenges. Meteorologists will continue updating forecasts over the coming days, with the most up-to-date warnings and advisories available through the National Weather Service and local media outlets. Residents are encouraged to monitor official forecasts and alerts, make safety plans, and take precautions as Winter storm Fern moves into the region with the potential for significant winter impacts.